Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block orders based on a specific date and time in Shopify. Using the date and time condition, you can easily achieve that, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the date and time condition. So first, we'll search for date and time in the search bar and select it. Click Select Elite 1 combination to continue. Now, you'll see two selection options. Weekly schedule. When you select a weekly schedule, the rule will apply every week. Specific date and time. When you select specific date and time, the rule will apply only once. You can also choose between two date types, single and range. Select either a single date or a date range, depending on your needs. For this video, we will select Block if not found, and select the weekly schedule, then select days Monday to Friday. After that, select time 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now, we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "Sorry, orders are only accepted from Monday to Friday, between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. business hours." After that, click the Save button to apply your rule. This means customers can only place orders from Monday to Friday between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. business hours. If they try to check out outside this day or time range, checkout will be blocked. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order. The checkout is blocked because the customer is placing the order on Saturday. The rule only allows orders from Monday to Friday, between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. business hours. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. That's it. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!